Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to monetize your TikTok account. Now, to do that, you should open your TikTok first, then log in into your account and click on your profile on the bottom right side right here. And now you will have to click on the top right side on these three lines on the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. Now choose account, the first option right here. And now you will have to click on switch to business account. Then here it will show you a simple process. You just have to click on next, 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 and do all that they ask you to do. You can simply choose a category. I'm going to choose any one. Let's choose gaming, for example. After that, click on next and your account will be switched to business account. Now, after completing this process, you should go back again and open your profile and click on these three horizontal lines on the top right side. Then now you will have to choose TikTok Studio. After you click on TikTok Studio, here it will show you all the analytics and the monetization options that you can actually activate. Now here in the monetization section, you have many things that you can activate in order to get money from. Every option that you have right here has its own terms, conditions, and rules. So you will have to be eligible to turn on any one of these options as a monetization way. So I'm going to click on live rewards, then click on open gift hub. And now I can actually go live. So this is the first thing that I can use. Now the second thing is the subscription. Let's click on it and see what should I do to be eligible. When you scroll down a little bit, you will find here this message. You are not eligible to join, have at least 10,000 followers, and have at least 100,000 video views in the last calendar month, or unlock full live experience. So you will have to complete these tasks in order to join this method of monetization. Now let's go back. So when you go and check every method of these, you will find out that each one of them has different rules in order to be eligible. So here it tells me that I should have more than 1,000 followers. Now when we go to the video gifts, you can simply turn it on. And here also it asks me to have more than 10,000 followers. So actually it depends on which type of monetization method that you are going to use. It differs from a method to another, and you can simply go and check for the eligibility and see if you are eligible or not. If you are eligible, you can simply join the program or the monetization method, and after that they will take a couple of days in order to accept you. And after acceptance, you can actually use the monetization to get some money through TikTok. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.